Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Studio Kiraba. And we are on day 4 of our Draw and Breathe challenge. I'm proud of you, and I'm proud of myself for being consistent, for showing up here, and for doing things. So, yes, we are on day 4 and we are going to explore something so beautiful today. Something very easy, something very simple, but yet it's so going to be so beautiful. My favorite subject. So, today we are going to explore floral patterns. Yeah, so let's get started without wasting any one of our times. See you there. Your paper, pen, and let's start exploring some nice beautiful floral patterns. So the flower I have chosen for today is just a random flower which we have all drawn in our childhoods. You can choose any flower or floral pattern for this. Okay, one. I'm not going to make too many. Because I'm using a very small sheet of paper. Just going to make maybe 3. Okay, that's done. I am going to outline these flowers. Just don't have to be very perfect. Leaving some white spaces or negative spaces. I'm going to just outline. So what we basically want is this negative space, the white spaces which we are creating. So we don't want the outline to be very thin, and we don't want it to be very close to the flower. Okay, that's done. And now I'm going to fill the flower centers with some nice dots and to add some drama. This I think is the easiest pattern you can draw. It's an amalgamation of various shapes and various patterns. Just make the dots as far or as less, as more as you want. So we are exploring this technique of dotting as well here today. Coming to the flowers, I am going to go and okay, now it's time to fill our flowers. How do we fill? Now there are different ways you can fill the flowers. So I'm going to use lines. And I'm now going to use two close. Once that's done, I'm going to utilize this entire negative space to fill up. So now how you can fill up, you can use various patterns to fill. You could use circles, spirals, you could just dot it, you could do anything. Today I think we'll use a mix of no, I think we'll go with spirals. But these spirals will be small. Okay, so we fill the entire sheet with negative spaces, and now I'm going to take a thicker pen. You could take a thicker pen or use the same pen. Now because of the time constraint, I'm going to use a thicker pen, and I'm going to start coloring the pending negative spaces. It's not okay. So we've covered the negative spaces with black, and now for the most fun part, we're going to color the piece. Yay, my favorite part. So I'm going to use some, let's see what color we use. We'll use red for the flowers. Okay. Next, I'm going to use a nice green color to fill in the background or the spirals. Now I'm not going to fill in this white space here. I'm going to keep it open, empty. Something which you will be proud of doing. So there you go, guys. Our floral pattern is ready, and look at how beautiful it looks. So yes, we have completed our day 4 of Draw and Breathe challenge, and we have created this. Just look at this beauty. Can you believe we created this from a plain paper like this, and just with 3 flowers, and some spirals and some lines. This is something probably we drew when we were in nursery or something. So guys, this is what we are doing on our channel here. This is what we're trying to do, and this is what we're trying to promote on this, during this 15-day challenge, that you don't need to be an artist to relax. You don't need to be an artist to relax through art. Art is therapy in itself. So guys, this is what we've created. And yes, if you missed our day 3 day 1 to 3 days, then go back and watch the videos and do practice, and do let me know in the comments how you're feeling with this challenge ongoing, and are you enjoying, are you not? I'm enjoying myself a lot, and I love creating this, and look at what we've created. All right, then I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.